Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what is in the bag. It's a spring kit. I recognize the packaging. All right, get it out here. Hold please. All right, sorry, somebody came to the door looking for somebody that doesn't even live here. All right, so this comes from OneDaySaving, and if they have any specials or if I have a discount code, I will put them right here and also in the description box below. So let's get this out of its bag and see what this kit looks like. See if I can get it right set up on the first try. All right, this is an 11 count. Nope, this is a 14 count. So it is 50 by 61. Maybe. Yeah, it's a 14 count. So it's 50 by 61. And I'll have to check the numbers as far as how wide the stitches are and everything. Now this kit, as far as I know, is $20.35. It may be on sale now. It has 81 colors in it. You have full stitch all the way up here. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mixed threads. I'm not seeing any, what do you call it, back stitching or anything, so it's just straight cross stitch, and they have divided it. Oh, that's cute. There's your page 3. Why couldn't you just made it parted 2? I don't understand. So they split it into 6 pages. Let's see on here. Very beautifully printed. Paper pattern will not match the canvas. Oops, and then it goes this way. There's what I'm looking for. It's 215 by 281. There's your product number. And it doesn't say. We'll measure it just to make sure that I have written down everything. Now also on this, here's your page 6 and page 3. Yeah, just that short little bit. What I started to say was, you have 2 columns of symbols. The one on the inside is the one that matches the paper pattern, and the one on the outside matches the canvas. And of course, the canvas will have the symbols stamped on it, just their symbols for the canvas. But very nicely done. Does come with full page instructions, how to start, how to finish. Now this will not have a toolkit in it, but everything's at least on a thread card. Whoop, there's one. Oh, that's in there. Okay. Just didn't want to lose that. Everything's on a thread card instead of a thread tab. And I don't know if this is Egyptian cotton or not. But it doesn't... Everything's in Chinese. I'm sorry. I don't see anything. Because sometimes they'll write it. Let's see if it says anything on front. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I'm not seeing. Now, I don't know if that means 100% Egyptian cotton or not. So, yeah. But very pretty colors. Blues, kind of a plum color, gray blues, tans. Look at that, turquoise, peacock turquoise, and purple, and more tans and browns. I think this is going to be gorgeous. Peaches, more blues, lots of greens, green tones, in shades. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, and I like that. It's a deep dark rose. And we'll find out what colors we have here. Hang on in just a minute. Not seeing any 310 black. Does come with 2 smaller needles right there. More greens, reds. Kind of a rosy red right here. Very pretty. Very, very pretty indeed. So lots and lots of threads. And of course you'll use 2 strands. Very nice. I wish I knew. Kind of acts like Egyptian cotton. You know, where it... I will have to go back and look. And I'll put a note in here somewhere, you know, saying, yes, it is Egyptian cotton. But as far as the packaging, it does not say that. It just feels funky. You know? It doesn't feel like 100% cotton. So, very nice indeed. Let's take a look at the canvas. And typical spring kits, they are packaged separately. And very well, because I can't seem to get them open. Hang on. All right, I am back. It is serged all the way around. Nice, smooth canvas on the front and on the back. Very well printed. Key along the side. It's kind of biggish. We'll fold it in half, and that way I can see. So, we have no 310 black. Oh, yeah, we do. There it is. 310 black. 498, which is a brick red. 600, I believe, is a red. Anything else I know of? No 823. No 939. We have 938. And we have, these right along here are your mixed colors. So it shows you what 2 threads that you use. But over on this side is the other half of the regular cross stitch. No 3371 and no 3865. So, but very well done. Let me fold it in half and bring it up so you can see it. Very nice, very clear, easy to read symbols. It looks like it might have a little bit of confetti here, there, and everywhere, but it does have rivers of color, so that makes it so much easier to stitch. Just absolutely lovely. And you have rivers up in here. So you could add as much back stitching as you wanted to this, you know, to kind of perk it up a little bit if you wanted to. Does have the 100th anniversary of spring kits. Can you believe 100 years of making kits? Wow. And this one also has a tag, but at least it's up here, so we'll just leave it saying that it is 100% cotton Aida. So let's, if I can get it to lay down, we'll have it made. Holy cow, everybody is just not cooperating here today. Everything is not cooperating. Let's see, it is 50.5 centimeters or 23 3/4 inches by approximately, whoa, I dang near dropped it, 19 inches or 48.5 centimeters. And what did I say? Yeah, see, I wrote down 59 by 75 for some reason. I have no idea where that came from, because it's not even close to that, thank goodness. So it is actually 15 1/4 inches or 38.5 centimeters by, whoa, almost, we're about there, 20 inches or 50.5 centimeters, maybe a little over it. So not too bad. There's a lot of big areas, so that makes it so much easier. You don't have to fight anything. And not a lot of confetti, I will say. Just little tiny blotches. But I think it's going to be gorgeous. Working on that sky's going to be a piece of work, though. Holy cow. But I love that castle. It is just gorgeous. Yeah. Just absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Good job, guys. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for that beautiful kit. Just gorgeous for $20. It's spring all over. You know, it's just got beautiful colors, nice composition. I love the blues here. You got the mountains and the pink clouds up there. Just stunning. Yeah. It'll be a pleasure, I think, to stitch on. Now, OneDaySaving does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. And they also have custom. They have tools and crafts for all three of the majors. And like I said, if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, it'll be at the beginning and in the description box below. So do check that out. Thank you everyone for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.